Today, in our English grammar class, we learn about gender. Gender means link. हिंदी में हम लोग इसको लिंग कहते हैं. In English language, the following are the important genders. Types of genders. Masculine gender. Second is feminine gender. Third is common gender. And fourth is neutral gender. These are the four kinds of gender in English language. We know these are the four kinds of gender in English. And what is masculine gender? Masculine gender is a word which stands for a male. पुरुष के लिए जो शब्द प्रयोग किया जाता है उसे हम लोग मस्कुलिन जेंडर कहते हैं. मस्कुलिन जेंडर मैंने वर्ड यूज्ड फॉर ए मस्कुलिन यानी मेल. A noun used for a male is called masculine gender. Here we know examples I am going to give a boy. Boy is a male. King is used for a male. Ox, bull, lion, जैसे लड़का, राजा, बाइल, लायन, शेर, टाइगर. इस तरह का शब्द जो है मस्कुलिन जेंडर है. पुल्लिंग यानी मस्कुलिन जेंडर है. अभी क्या है फेमिनिन जेंडर? फेमिनिन जेंडर इज अ नाउन यूज्ड फॉर a female animal, female a human being. You see, for example, girl, human, cow, bitch. Here it is dog. Dog is masculine, bitch is feminine. Tiger, tigress. Lion, lioness. Poet means कवि, यहाँ poetess. In this way we can say masculine is used for males and feminine gender is used for female. Now third one is common gender. Common gender can be used for both male and female. Common gender is used for both male and female. It is a noun which is used for both male and female. There are many such words in English language which can be used for both male and female. For example, student in English, not in Hindi. Student. We can use the word student for a girl and for a boy also. For a male and female also. Whether it is a male or a female, we can use student. Student is common gender. Now teacher. but it is different in Hindi. You don't misunderstand it with the Hindi, because in Hindi language it is not a common gender. Student is not a common gender. For example, we say Vidyarthi, Vidyarthini, Chhatra, Chhatra, teacher, Adhyapak, Adhyapika. Lekin in English, we use such words for both male and female. Baby. Baby can be used for both male and female. There are so many such words which we can use for both the genders. Such words are called common gender. Now let us come to the last one, that is neuter gender. Neuter gender is a noun which is used for it is used for non-living things, trees, plants, etc. But you don't take it as in Hindi. Also, there are such and such types of genders. But non-living things, maybe some non-living things are masculine gender, some are feminine gender. For example, nadi. नदी हिंदी में स्त्रीलिंग है, तो लेकिन इंग्लिश में नदी न्यूटर जेंडर है. रिवर, चेयर, बुक, बैग, पेंसिल, कार, house, all these are neuter gender, because most of them are non-living things or trees, etc. For example, coconut. Non-living things, trees and plants, etc. are come under the category of neuter gender. So in English we have 4 genders. Masculine gender, you can easily learn it. Masculine gender, pulling, it is a noun used for male animals or human beings. Feminine gender, it is used for female animals or human beings. Common gender is used for both male and female, and neuter gender is used for non-living and plants and trees. So this is all about the gender in English language. After that we proceed to another portion in English language, that is person. Now let us discuss about person. In English there are 3 persons: first person, second person and third person. What are these persons? What does it mean? Persons. First person, second person and third person. First person is I and we. I and we are called first person. Second person is you, and third person is he, she, they, it. So you have to learn it. You learn it just like this. First person is I and we, second person is you, and third person is he, she, they, it. Now I explain you what are the first persons. First person means One who speaks is called first person. If somebody is saying anything, we can say he is the first person. For example, I say he is a good boy. वह एक अच्छा लड़का है. मैं इन किससे कहा है? मैं मेरा सामने जो खड़ा है उसे कहा हूं. सामने जो खड़ा है वो कौन है? यू. मैं यू से कहा है. वो दूसरा है जो सुनता है. तो फर्स्ट पर्सन इज स्पीकिंग एंड सेकंड पर्सन इज पर्सन टू हुम आई स्पीक, जिससे मैंने बात की है. अभी थर्ड पर्सन जिसका बारे में मैंने बात किया वो थर्ड पर्सन है. अबाउट हुम आई एम स्पीकिंग इज कॉल्ड थर्ड पर्सन. नाउ वी लर्न अबाउट केस. Cases are also, there are three cases: nominative case, possessive case, and objective case. Here in this class we learn about case also. And first person case, first person, I write here first person, I and we, that is nominative case. Possessive case, my, mine, our, ours. And objective case, me, us. This is all about first person, nominative case, possessive case and objective case. Now second person, nominative case is you, possessive case your, yours, and objective case is you. Here the second person is all over. And now third person, he, she, they, it. These are nominative cases. And possessive case, his, her, their, theirs, its. And objective case, him, her, them, it. Now we revise the things we have studied today. We studied about persons, first person, second person and third person. What is first person? One who is speaking is called first person. For example, I am speaking about a boy. He is a good boy. I spoke about a boy, that he is a good boy. He is a good boy. I spoke to whom? I spoke to the person in front of me. I spoke to the person in front of me. You are in front of me. So that you is second person, and to whom I speak, to whom the first person is speaking is called second person, and lastly third person, about whom I am speaking. About whom I am speaking, when the first person is speaking, is called third person. Now cases. Nominative case. Nominative case is first person Y and V. Possessive case, my, mine, our, ours. Objective case, me and us. सेकंड पर्सन इज ओनली यू, केवल एक यू है सेकंड पर्सन में. उसका पोसेसिव केस यूअर है या यूअर्स है, और ऑब्जेक्टिव केस यू है. और थर्ड पर्सन ही, शी, इट, दे. इसका पोसेसिव केस है ही का हिस, शी का हर, दे का देयर और देयर्स, और इट का इट्स. और ऑब्जेक्टिव केस है ही का हिम, शी का हर, they got them, it got it. In this way, we discussed today in our class about persons, cases and gender. Gender also I revise once again. Gender, there are four gender in English. Masculine gender, feminine gender, neutral gender and common gender. What is masculine gender? Masculine gender is a noun used for a male person, male animal, and feminine gender is a noun used for a female human being or an animal, and common gender is used for both the male and female animal or human beings. And the last one is neuter gender. Neuter genders are non-living things, plants and trees. So we can say all the non-living things like table, chair, house, desk, bus, car, all these things belong to neuter gender. Trees like coconut tree, banana, ashoka tree, people, banyan tree, all these trees we can say they are also neuter gender, because plants and trees also belong to neuter gender. And I conclude this class here. Thank you.